Alrighty then. Back at it again here in my garage with my new Ford. Yep, just another day working on it. Gonna take the wiring off and probably not, because I mean, when do I actually work on my vehicles? But get the cab off, yeah, so that'll be fun. Yeah.
Just stay one more night. I'll be by your side. We'll live for a new day. We live life the hard way, but not today. Just stay. Just stay. Just stay. One more night. One more night.
So this is my garage. These are my bookcases, as you can see. Books.
Here with my Lamborghini.
Here with my fan. Should I turn it off now? Oh yeah. And now we don't have the background noise of a jet taking off.
So over by the Monster, just that.
Whoa, David! You can't name brands.
I drink Monster. Go with it.
David. This one?
Yeah.
From the woodblock.
Smaller. The next size down. Yeah. Thank you. Monster, sponsor me.
Or Subway. How about
Or Subway. Both.
Wait a second, David. You gotta do the Subway e-freef.
Subway, e-freef.
Spubby e-freef. This was brought to you by Blue Apron. That helps you cook good.
This is not going as fast as I want it to.
I don't know how to.
I know how to use ladders.
This was brought to you by Movement Watches. That's MVMT Watches. David, give me a movie that starts with an M. Monsters Inc. V for Vendetta. What's another M?
V for Vendetta?
V for Vendetta.
That's not M.
I said V. I'm doing the MVMT.
Oh.
M Monsters Inc. Wait, I'm not done. M. It's another M movie. Movie. And T for the
Grand Tour.
Grand Tour. Please sponsor us.
Please sponsor us. a dead thing sounds like when it starts squealing.
Okay.
So, actually, instead of putting that down, I can just yeet it into the garbage.
David. Jesus Christ.
We good?
He's not stomp on the drum.
This bitch empty. Yeet. I missed.
David, by I missed, are you trying to say sponsored by... What's that thing? It's the website that helps you find qualified employees and gets you a response from a...
Expedia.ca.
No, is that?
No, that's the travel.
No, what's the... What, David, what's that website that gets you a qualified response from a qualified individual for the job within 25 hours 80% of the time?
I have no fucking idea.
The sponsorship thing is hard. Now, there's a small problem I would find in this garage is over here. This heater thing. Lovely invention, keeps us warm in the minus 30 winters. But the propane makes your eyes burn within 20 minutes, so I mean...
So, we don't have ventilation. So
We have holes in the roof.
yeah, but
That barely counts.
that just means it gets cold in here.
Country, high country Tuesday.
Just feel my heart inside. Our love can grow so bright. We found a way into the grace again. Let's not pretend our hearts have life again. Just stay one more night. I'll be by your side. Just stay. Just stay. Let's not pretend.
I don't think they're supposed to do that.
It's fine, keep going.
Why won't this damn thing come off?
Maybe what you could use is an angle grinder. Maybe you could use an angle grinder.
But how?
I don't know.
Thing has blade.
Dedication? You want to like call it a
One
night?
good part of the.
I was wondering why your shampoo is in the downstairs shower, and then I thought for a second, like, oh yeah, because upstairs shower's in fucking pieces.
Yeah, let's shut her down. Alright, here, pass me the thing. Okay, well, as you can see, I'm just getting frustrated and it's not working, so. So we're gonna call it a night, but first, I'll show you that this side is off. We got one side off.
Oh, David, there's something else keeping us still on there. All these fucking zip ties.
I feel like it was something more substantial than that. That didn't seem to come off very well.
I don't know. This is goodbye.
Okay, everything off?
Put it on the deck. Oh shoot, copyrighted. Thankfully my singing f***ing sucks. Okay, David.
Why do you do this? Seppi always throws them in the snow.
Because it's waterproof.
I want to show them their trick. I'm assuming you're
It's
on the trip the whole time
degrading.
taking the pictures, right?
It is not degrading.
I'm assuming you're about Seppi. He was the one taking the pictures, right?
Yeah, video, yeah.
I mean, do you? Why are you dropping your phone?
Because it's waterproof, so...
Happy, come here.
He's always like, hey Dave, check this out.
Please.
I'm like,
Did you do it, David?